Let's go ahead and add another page to our book by tapping on the plus sign on the right. Let's go up to the plus menu again. Tap the Media tab. And maybe we want to add a photo that we don't have right now in our Photos app or our camera roll. So we can tap on Camera there in our Media menu, and we could take a live photo. So tapping on Camera will activate our camera on our iPad. And when we have the photo that we want, go ahead and tap on the shutter button on the right side to take a photo. And then you'll notice that along the bottom edge on the left side, you'll see Retake. Go ahead and tap on Retake if you don't like your photo and you want to take it over, and then just repeat that process. Or on the right side, go ahead and tap on Use Photo if you're happy with this photo and want to use it in your book. I'm going to tap on Use Photo. And again, there's my photo. I can resize it with the blue handles in the corner, and I can adjust that and move it around on my page in Book Creator. Let's go ahead and add another page to our book by tapping on the plus sign on the right. Let's go up to the plus menu again. Tap the Media tab. And maybe we want to add some video to our book. Now, if we had our video already, maybe we created it with the camera app at some point earlier, we could go to Photos and we could select that video from our camera roll or from an album if you added the video to an album. But again, maybe we don't have the video, so let's go ahead and tap on Camera in our Media menu, and that will activate our camera on our iPad. Swipe from photo to video on the right side of your iPad to switch to the video camera. Once your iPad is focused, you can tap on the red shutter button to start recording your video. After you've recorded whatever you want in your video, tap the red shutter button again to end your video. Tap on the play button, the bottom center, to watch your video to make sure that it works for you. If your video isn't what you want, you can tap the retake button in the bottom left corner of the screen to start over. If your video is okay, then go ahead and tap Use Video at the bottom right to insert your video into your book. At this point, I could grab those blue handles, I could resize my video, I could drag the video around on the page and get it positioned exactly where I want it to be.